In a room full of high-quality weapons, Boss Xicman is holding a phone looking at the two monkeys Ben and Jack with a very angry expression. Next to the boss is the assassin role, looking very dangerous. Xicman walks over, takes the briefcase, and gives it to Roll.
Alright.
He opens the briefcase, and inside are large stacks of money.
Let go.
Xicman shows a picture of the person who needs to be eliminated to the assassin. Roll receives the order, takes the money, and leaves to carry out the mission.
Alright.
Xicman also orders his subordinates to follow the assassin for support. Meanwhile, the female assassin Rose and the two monkeys Ben and Jack are playing together. They look like children playing around.
Nope. Nope.
Come here, come here.
Roll and two henchmen are on their way to find the target that the boss wants to eliminate. Rose and the two monkeys are still engrossed in playing, unaware of the approaching danger. Jack suddenly has an idea and whispers to Ben.
Okay.
The two monkeys stop playing, leaving Rose to play alone. Ben and Jack sit by the roadside laughing mischievously as they watch Rose play by herself.
Come on. Let go.
The two monkeys hit Rose and leave together. Roll and his two henchmen continue moving down the road. Rose is still blindfolded playing by herself. She accidentally steps on Roll. Rose realizes it's not her teammates and apologizes profusely. They immediately leave. Suddenly, one of the henchmen spots the target and informs the assassin. Roll orders his henchmen to open fire on Ben and Jack.
Go.
Ben and Jack are terrified, hiding behind a tree, confused about what's happening. The two henchmen continue shooting. Jack takes out a blow dart and shoots at one of the henchmen, killing him instantly. Roll quickly takes action upon seeing this.
Hey, let's go.
But the assassin has already blocked Ben's path. In just a moment, Ben is killed by the assassin Roll. Jack, terrified, runs away, but is struck by Roll's knife, fatally wounded. Roll laughs loudly after taking down the target assigned by the boss. Luckily, Jack is not dead yet. He looks towards the assassin who is taking Ben's head and pretends to faint again.
Alright, there go.
Yes, sir.
Roll and his henchmen take the monkey's head and leave. After they have gone, Jack pulls out the knife and severely injured walks over to his teammate, but Ben has passed away. Rose is furious when she realizes she was tricked into playing alone by the two monkeys. Jack, injured, runs to her.
Help
Rose
me.
not only Jack hits him for killing her.
I'm sorry. Hit your day.
But when she hears about Ben, her expression changes.
Hey, stand up. Where?
Here, on your side.
Who is that?
I don't know.
Rose remembers the person she met earlier, the one who killed Ben. Enraged, she quickly leaves.
Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Take the gun.
Rose and Jack go to the weapon stash. Both pick out a powerful gun to avenge their fallen teammate.
Okay,
go.
let's go. Go.
Xicman is in his base waiting for the results. The assassin and his henchmen return.
You are you. Good going.
Rose shows the head to Xicman, and the boss is elated, holding it in his hands. A truly wicked group.
Very good, very good.
Yeah.
Rose and Jack have found
Hey,
the killer's
come
base
in.
and are hiding behind a tree observing.
Hey, Zashi.
Hey,
Rose and Jack split up to take action. They signal to each other. Jack rushes out shooting at the guarding henchman. Quickly returns fire. It's Rose's turn. She rushes out and immediately takes down one of the henchmen. Another henchman is also killed by Jack. Hearing the gunshot,
Alright, let's go, come on.
Yes, sir.
order their henchmen to check it out. Xicman also runs to grab a gun to fight. A henchman runs
Hey, you.
downstairs and sees Jack firing at him, causing Jack to dodge quickly. Rose enters and sees a henchman shooting at her teammate, swiftly killing him.
go.
Okay.
Rose and Jack head upstairs together, splitting up to search for the one who killed their teammate. Jack sees the
Hi.
assassin roll,
Hello.
sitting proudly by the
Hey,
window.
you, damn
He shouts
it.
and shoots. Jack is at a disadvantage against the assassin roll. Xicman steps out with a creepy smile, raises his gun and shoots at Rose.
Doom it.
Rose also rushes out, returning fire at Xicman. She pretends to hide. Xicman looks around but doesn't see anyone slowly stepping forward. Rose sees the opportunity and moves behind the boss.
Stand still. You are good.
Xicman remains fearless, laughing loudly. Roll is about to kill Jack, but notices Xicman is being held at gunpoint by Rose. Roll pulls out a knife, but Rose misses and dodges, causing the knife to stab Xicman instead. Rose quickly fires at Roll, but he manages to dodge and runs away swiftly.
Stop!
Jack tries to chase after Roll, the one who killed his teammate, but Roll escapes.
Damn it!
Hey, what happened?
This way.
Rose
go.
and Jack leave together. The only thing left behind is the lifeless body of the boss.